In this video, we will learn how to use the AI Suggest feature in news and announcements in uKnowva HRMS. Let's get started. To begin, go to your uKnowva HRMS homepage and locate the News and Announcement section. Here, click on the plus icon to create a new post. This will open a pop-up window where you can enter the details for your announcement. Start by selecting a category for your post. For example, you can choose from options like rewards and recognition, HR policies, announcement, quotes, news, or others, depending on the type of content you want to share. Next, enter the title of your post. For instance, you can write something like, Employee of the Month, May 2026. Now, instead of writing the content manually, you can use the Generate with AI feature. Click on the Generate with AI button, and the system will automatically create relevant content for your announcement based on your title and context. For example, if your title is about employee recognition, the AI can generate a well-structured appreciation message highlighting achievements and contributions. You can review the generated content and make edits if needed before finalizing it. Once your content is ready, select the Accessible to User groups to define who should be able to view this announcement. If required, you can also attach files, such as documents, images, or certificates, to provide additional context. After completing all the details, click on the Submit button to publish your announcement. That's it! You now know how to use the AI Suggest feature in news and announcements in uKnowva HRMS. Thank you for watching.